Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making a foam slime. I got the idea for this slime when I was thinking that it would be really funny if a shop sent you a do-it-yourself foam in the form of a block of styrofoam and some slime. Kind of a similar idea to some do-it-yourself clay slimes I've seen where you make the clay piece yourself. So I found a piece of styrofoam in my basement, and as you can see I got to breaking it apart. It kept sticking to my hands and getting in the air and falling all around. I was not having a good time with it, but I found that some of the ripping noises were nice. It was also kind of satisfying on an instinctual level to take the block of it and just tear it apart bit by bit. I decided to use a clear slime for this because I found that foams made of clear slime tend to have less fallout as they age. As you can see, mixing it in was super satisfying. I ended up adding some foaming hand soap to make it a little bit more stretchy, and the final texture was actually really great. I was a little worried that the styrofoam would be too old and worn out, but it actually worked really well. I love the bubble pops and the crunches. I would honestly really recommend this project if you want to try making a foam slime at home. If you don't mind a little bit of mess, it's really satisfying. And I can honestly say that this is almost as good as some professional slimes that I've bought. Thanks for watching. I'm always looking for new slime ideas, so please let me know in the comments if there's something you'd like to see me make.